Connor and Cassie meet each other when they were teenagers. They have similar personalities and they also like each other. After dealing with the villain, Jericho, the Titans return to their tower and on the roof, Connor meets Cassie. They start talking and Connor says he is now living in Smallville, the place where Superman was raised. He also got a secret identity. They call him Connor. Cassie likes the name but not the fun. But Connor has no problem with that. His foster parents, the Kents, teach him milking cows, baling hay. They don't have cable or DSL, only electricity to make life easier. Cassie is happy for him. At least he knows what he is supposed to do. But in case of her, she doesn't know what to do in life. She gets expelled from school for being Wonder Girl, so she takes off for the weekend. She didn't inform her mom where she went. Connor understands what Cassie is going through, and then the two come close to each other, and for the first time, they kiss. But in the middle of that, Wonder Woman shows up, and she literally throws Connor up in the sky. She didn't even wait for Superboy and Wonder Girl to stop kissing. She just threw him away. Diana doesn't want Cassie to be a part of the Titans. Being a superhero is a risky job, so she wants Cassie to come with her at the Themyscira. Now Connor and Cassie, they become a permanent couple, but their happiness didn't last long, as during the Infinite Crisis, Connor gets brutally killed by the evil Superboy Prime, which affect the whole Titans, especially Tim and Cassie. Tim does everything to revive Connor with the cloning process, but every time the experiment fails. So finally, with the help of Lex Luthor, Connor returns to life, but he is adjusting with his new life. So to cheer him up, Cassie is helping Connor while looking through the old photos. Connor sees a picture of him kissing Cassie. She gets emotional. Connor also hesitates. So to lighten the situation, he takes her to Smallville, Superman's home. They realize that this may be the last time they are talking to each other, as the evil Superboy Prime has returned to Earth and causing chaos. So they spend the whole night together in the farm, and things get awkward in the morning when the Kents find them, but they are fine with that and they allow Cassie to stay with them. So after dealing with Superboy Prime and defeating him, Connor returns to Cassie, and while spending time together, Cassie tells him a truth that she is hiding for a year. After Connor died, the whole Titans were wrecked. She and Tim got in a huge argument as Tim was pushing himself to revive Connor. She doesn't know why or how, but she and Tim kissed. She only loves Connor, but she feels like she betrayed him. Cassie begins to cry, so Connor comforts him. He accepts the moment between Tim and Cassie was an accident. He knows she loves him, and he loves her too. The fact is, they are together again, and nothing can separate them now. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.